In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address in Temu for a smoother experience. If you've ever relocated or perhaps noticed a small typo in your current address on Temu, you'll know how important it is to keep this information accurate and up to date. Not only will this ensure that all your transactions proceed without a hitch, but it also helps in maintaining the security and accuracy of your personal information. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. Open up your preferred browser and type in the Temu web address. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password if you aren't already logged in. This will bring you to your main account page, where you can see your dashboard filled with options and features. Now, once you're comfortably on your main dashboard, pay close attention to the top right section of the page where you'll often find your profile icon or username displayed. Click on your profile, which will then bring up a drop-down menu featuring various options for you to choose from. The goal here is to locate and select the section labeled Addressed. This is where all your address details are stored and can be managed. After clicking on Addressed, you'll be taken to a new page that displays the address or addresses currently linked to your Temu account. Here you should see an option to edit your existing address details. Click the Edit button next to the address information. This is a crucial step as it allows you to make necessary changes or updates to your current address. Whether you're moving to a new home or correcting a small error, this is your opportunity to ensure everything is precisely as it should be. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll have access to modify each field of your address, whether it's the street, city, state, zip code, or any other detail you need to adjust. Carefully enter the accurate information, double-checking for any possible mistakes. Precision here is key. It ensures that there are no delivery mishaps in the future. After confirming all your new details, there should be a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click on it to apply your changes, and just like that, you've successfully updated your address on Temu. It's a straightforward process, but a vital one to maintain the integrity and coordination of your account's logistics. That's it. You've gone through the entire process of updating your address on Temu, ensuring your information is current and secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll tackle more helpful tips for managing your account seamlessly.